In today's connected industrial world, protecting operational technology has become critical. IEC 62443 is the global standard designed specifically to secure industrial automation and control systems. Unlike traditional IT security, industrial environments prioritize safety, system availability, and operational integrity above everything else. IEC 62443 defines four security levels, from protection against accidental misuse to defense against advanced nation-state attacks. IEC 62443 is built on 7 foundational requirements that define how security is applied across industrial systems. The framework uses a zones and conduits model to segment industrial networks, controlling communication between critical systems. Implementation begins with asset visibility, risk assessment, network segmentation, strong access control, and continuous monitoring. With IEC 62443, organizations can protect critical infrastructure while ensuring safe and reliable industrial operations. Forge your OT AI SOC with FlintX.